17 on your Friday evening, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued by the Seattle National Weather Service. This is in south central parts of Pierce County. We're talking about that possibility of the storm producing not only some very heavy rainfall, cloud to ground lightning, but that possibility of some hail up to nickel size and 60-mile-per-hour winds. The heaviest part of the storm is just to the east of Eatonville, but Eatonville is getting in on some of this activity as the storm really just kind of sits over the same area. It is, again, focused most of it just to the east of the city of Eatonville and rural parts of Pierce County. But again, you can see some of those red colors indicating that strong likelihood of this storm producing the heavy rainfall, small hail, and cloud to ground lightning. Now, it is mainly stationary, but it has shown some signs of slightly shifting toward the north. And you can see with that latest radar scan, notice some of those pink colors that are now being detected within the storm. That's indicating the storm is actually strengthening, and it is slowly trying to work its way toward the north. So if it does continue to work its way toward the north and it maintains its intensity, it would eventually work its way toward Clay City around 5:19. So that would be coming up here in just a couple of minutes, possibly Voss Resort at 5:28. 5:31 Electron, and then eventually at 5:52 moving toward Ording as it works its way ever so slightly toward the north in south central parts of Pierce County. Again, this is the only severe thunderstorm warning that we have right now. Elsewhere, there's really not too much going on. Again, you can see that severe thunderstorm. This is about 19 miles to the south of Puyallup, by the way. Elsewhere, really not too much going on outside of the Cascades and the Olympics, where we're having those showers and storms develop this evening due to that daytime heat. And those showers and storms are possible over the next couple of hours before eventually we shut those thunderstorm chances down once we lose that daytime heating. This lime green shade color area is where we have that potential for thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. So pretty much the entire King 5 viewing area outside of coastal parts of Washington has that potential to see those isolated showers and storms. Now, the favorite areas are going to be in the higher terrain, not a good chance around Seattle, but we'll continue to keep a really close eye on it in case some of that activity tries to work its way a little bit closer to the I-5 corridor. If you are in an area that is seeing a thunderstorm or one approaches, you want to make sure that you move indoors until those storms move out of the area. Now, it's being driven by the pretty warm temperatures we're seeing out there this afternoon. From Seattle south, we are in the 80s right now. 80 in Seattle, 82 in Renton, 82 in Puyallup. We do get a touch cooler tomorrow. It's still going to be mild, but we're only going to top out at 74 in Seattle tomorrow. We have that onshore push. It'll be a cloudy start to the morning, giving way to mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. A little bit warmer for your Sunday. Highs bounce back into the mid to upper 70s south of Seattle. Lower 70s from Everett north toward Bellingham with mostly sunny skies. We continue that warming trend out of Sunday into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, staying in the mid to upper 70s. We cool off, though, just in time for the end of next week, but there are no significant rain chances in the forecast over the next 7 days. Greg?